Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore merch sales with Teespring shipping settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore merch sales with Teespring shipping settings, begin by logging into your Teespring account. Navigate to your dashboard, where you will find your active listings. Select the listing you wish to modify for shipping settings. Click on the Edit button to access the editing options for your product. Scroll down to the shipping section of the Edit page. You will see options for configuring shipping rates and methods. Choose the countries where you want to offer your products. For each country, set a shipping rate that aligns with your target audience. Consider offering free shipping to incentivize purchases if your budget allows. If you opt for paid shipping, ensure that your rates are competitive. Look into Teespring's shipping options to determine best practices for delivery times. After configuring shipping rates, review your settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, save your changes to update the listing. Next, promote your updated merch listings to attract potential buyers. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other platforms to inform your audience about the changes. Monitor your sales data regularly to track the effectiveness of your updated shipping settings. Make adjustments as necessary based on customer feedback and sales performance. Continue to refine your shipping strategy to enhance customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you can effectively restore merch sales through optimized Teespring shipping settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.